Hello everyone, this is Akhil Pratyush. I am currently doing my Masters in Applied Data Science at IUPUI. Today we'll be talking about a project I did as a part of my course curriculum. The project is a recreation of John Snow's cholera map in London, which John Snow created in 1854 when cholera broke in London. The original map you can see here. This is the original map which Jon Snow made back in the day, and we tried to recreate his work using D3, which is a powerful visualization tool using JavaScript, a part of JavaScript. Before explaining the visualization, is a brief history about this cholera outbreak. So, when industrialization is at its peak in London, uh, there were a lot of slaughterhouses and a lot of industries which were emitting pollution everywhere, polluted water especially, which was contaminating groundwater, and this led to the spread of cholera infection everywhere. So the rapid growth of cholera, uh, you know, uh, terrified people, and a lot of people died during this epidemic. One of the famous physicians in London, John Snow, decided to, identify the root cause for this issue, and he then created this famous map of London Soho area. And we recreated his work using D3, and we used other tools in D3 to to enhance this map and to find more insights into this map. So as you can see, let's talk about the map and the other elements in this web page. The map is drawn using the coordinates given. I have named multiple streets here. The famous streets in Soho, the Oxford Street, Regent Street, Dean Street, and you can see the broad street, which is tucked under all these points. Okay, the red big circles which you can see here, they're all the pumps where the pumps are located, and the blue circles are where the places where male people died, and the pink are the places where female people died. And this is the workhouse, and this is the brewery. Let's see. So I have drawn multiple supporting charts as well. As you can see, there's a timeline chart, there's a bar chart, and there's a pie chart. Okay. So the timeline chart, as the name suggests, as the time goes, it shows the number of people died, and that is the number of deaths recorded in this area. So as you can see, it slowly started and picked up its pace, and by September 1st, it reached its peak. So if you can see, I am pointing on this, I'm hovering on this, and you can see there is an interaction between the line chart and the map. So these are the people who died on September 1st. So 143 people died, and the number of deaths slowly climbed down and it eventually became zero. Uh, so this basically tells us, how the disease is spreading, maybe the incubation period of the disease or something like that. And coming to the second chart, I have drawn a bar chart, which shows the people of different age groups from 0 to 10, 11 to 20, 21 to 40, 41 to 60, 61 to 80, and 80 plus. If you can see, the number of deaths is more in two age groups especially, which is 0 to 10 and 80 plus. This might be due to the reason their immunity might be less, and that's why more people died. And if you can see the map, a lot of deaths happened in this Broad Street area. I'm sorry. This is because this is a densely populated area, and a lot of residential houses and other stuff is here located here. So that might be the reason why a lot of people were affected here. And also, if you can see, a lot of female population is also affected here. This might be due to the fact that a lot of women live back at home, whereas males go out and work somewhere else. So females are more prone to this disease as they consume more water that is available in this location. So after identifying all these things, so I came to, you know, I understood that this pump, which is located in Broad Street, is the main culprit for the spread of cholera, whereas, at the workhouse, the number of deaths is less. This might be due to the fact that the workhouse might have their own private pump, which is isolated, and it doesn't have any access to other people. That's why the number of deaths here is a bit less. But here, it is more. Um, yes. So I have mentioned the same things in my analysis and findings. If you can go through them, you will understand a lot of information which I've listed down, my findings, and I've explained each and every chart in detail as well. This is my initial documentation, and these are the references I used for this project. Uh, yep, that's it. Everything is interactive with the map. If you can see, the bar chart is interactive, the line chart is interactive, and the pie chart is interactive too. Yep, yes, that's about it. I hope you like this project and have a good day. Peace.